Hello, my name is Carlos Andres Torre Rodriguez. My course is Linguistics. My teacher is Ana Carolina Polo Carmona. The name of activity is Evidence of Performance. Hi teacher, the person chosen is my wife. Your name is Paola Tejada. She is 28 years old. Her birthday is on February 11th. She loves the domestic animals: dogs, cats, birds, fishes, everything. She is Colombian. She lives in the south of Bogota, exactly in City Bolivar. She is like with She likes to travel, walk, eat everything. She likes to sleep. Really sleep more than more felt. He loves to watch TikTok. I could say that we all love life. Motorcycle is very intelligent, courteous, respectful. When we laugh, we together to her home. She works in security and health in the world. Here's engineer. She likes to see much, but much movies, especially of Greece. This here, this and here. Thank you, teacher. That is all I know about my wife.